Do you know that now you can create realistic art or NFTs in just a few seconds? Artificial intelligence is not only affecting industries like business and healthcare, it's also playing an increasing role in the creative industries by ushering in a new era of AI-generated art. However, we often hear that AI is going to automate away or take over all human tasks, including those in business and other creative industries. But this is far from the case. AI is a supplemental tool that any business or even artist can use to explore new creative territory and strategies for a business to come up with. These creative AI tools can be used by anyone to create art, which can often be turned into NFTs. So, let's take a look at the 10 best AI art generators. Number 1. Night Cafe. Night Cafe is one of the big names in the world of AI art generators. It's known for having more algorithms and options than all other generators. But it's also extremely easy for novice users to get the hang of. It is as simple as you might think. Just go to their website and create. For example, you give phrases like post-apocalyptic wonderland, it gives you a variety of AI-generated pictures in just a minute. Interestingly, Night Cafe is based on a credit system, but it has a generous free tier and plenty of options to earn credits by participating in the community. Night Cafe features you to own your own creations. Lots of social features and a vibrant, helpful community, organizing your creations into collections. It helps you to bulk download all your images, create videos, buy and sell prints of your artwork, pretty much fun to work with. However, the algorithms are always changing across all the AI art generators. Night Cafe's features might upgrade as time goes on. The great part is it has a lot more feature than other generators that we came across. Number 2. DALL-E 2. Another and the best AI art generator is DALL-E 2, which is an AI image generator developed by OpenAI and co-founded by these two guys, Elon Musk and Sam Altman. By just giving words and a few clicks in just a few minutes, you can create highly realistic images with the AI. DALL-E 2 is showing incredible potential. According to OpenAI, the tool can be used to create illustrations, design products, and generate new ideas for business. Its easy-to-use interface makes it possible for anyone to create high-quality images with AI. This means that not only professional artists will find value in DALL-E 2, but amateur artists can also use the tool. One of the best tools offered is its paintbrush, which enables you to add details like shadows, highlights, and more to your image. Tools like the paintbrush allow you to create complex images with multiple layers, each one customized with its own properties. Number 3. Deep Dream Generator. Another one of the best AI art generators is Deep Dream Generator by AFNet. One of the most popular AI art generators on the market, Deep Dream is an online tool that enables you to create realistic images with AI. Deep Dream relies on a neural network that was trained with millions of images. It's easy to use, only requiring you to upload an image before the tool generates a new image based on the original. One of the main applications of Deep Dream is to use it to create artwork, since it uses different painting styles to generate images that appear to be from different places or periods of time. The tool allows you to choose a category such as animals or landscapes before it creates a realistic image based on it. On top of all of this, Deep Dream allows you to choose 3 styles: Deep Style, Thin Style, or Deep Dream. After choosing a style, you can preview the image. Number 4. Art Breeder. One of the most well-known names among AI art generators is Art Breeder, which is an image quality enhancer. The tool enables you to produce different variations of an image through the use of machine learning. You can create landscapes, anime figures, portraits, and various other works of art on a single platform. Some of the other tools include the ability to change facial features like skin color, hair, and eyes. You can also turn photos into animated figures. Another top feature of Art Breeder is that it offers thousands of illustrations and allows you to manage them in folders. The results can be downloaded in JPEG or PNG format. If you are enjoying the video, do subscribe for interesting videos like this. Moving on. Number 5. Starry AI. An AI art generator that allows you to turn the art into NFTs. It doesn't require any input from the user. It can process images with a machine learning algorithm. It's so simple. Can you imagine that? Generating art simply by describing what you want to see, and the artificial intelligence transforms your words into art? One of the best parts about Starry AI is that it gives you full ownership of the created images to be used personally or commercially. It acts as a free NFT generator, which is its main selling point. The technology is constantly improving, but there have already been incredible examples of art created with the app. Number 6. FOTOR. Here's another one of the best AI tools for creating NFT art. It requires minimal effort, with the generator offering advanced AI tools to create art in minutes. It is also one of the most user-friendly tools for creating NFT art that we came across. All you have to do is upload an image and select the style of art you want to apply to it. You can also create layers or add personal touches quickly and easily. The tool doesn't require you to create an account to use the software or download the artwork. If you want to have fun with your own art, then do check out these websites. Number 7. Big Sleep. One more AI image generator, Big Sleep creates realistic images from scratch, like some of the other AI art generators. It is easy to use by anyone. It only takes a few steps to create one of the realistic images. Big Sleep is based on Python, and it uses a neural network to carry out the image creation. After providing input data to the program, it outputs an image. It achieves this through a generative adversarial network, or GAN. With the GAN, the generator model creates the image while the discriminator model distinguishes between real and fake. This helps Big Sleep achieve highly realistic images over time. Number 8. Deep AI. Founded in 2016, Deep AI was created with the goal of democratizing AI through open source software. It offers various tools that can be used to create realistic images. Deep AI enables you to create as many images as you'd like, and each one is unique. It is highly customizable, allowing you to change the amount of detail, colors, textures, and more. If you type an illustration, Deep AI can immediately generate a resolution-independent vector image. Some of the other tools offered by Deep AI include StyleGAN and BigGAN, which can also create realistic images. The CartoonGAN tool enables you to turn the images into cartoons. Number 9. Runway ML. Runway ML allows you to generate images by training and using machine learning models. With the tool, you can create models that generate realistic image styles in a variety of ways. On top of that, you can use the Runway ML to create animations and 3D models. If you want to create video projects, Runway ML includes a video editor tool that allows you to replace the background images of videos. Some of the tools utilized by Runway ML include relative motion analysis, which allows you to analyze what you're trying to do. It also has out-of-the-box object recognition, which helps you easily identify objects in images or videos. Number 10. WOMBO Dream. Closing out our list of the 10 best AI art generators is WOMBO Dream, which is an AI NFT creator app developed by Canadian startup WOMBO. It is considered by many to be the best all-around NFT creator app. WOMBO Dream can transform existing photos into cartoons or faux paintings, as well as use a complex algorithm to turn words and phrases into unique works of art. The tool allows you to choose from a variety of art styles, or you can opt for futuristic landscapes. You can create realistic portraits and art with any settings that you may have in a few clicks. Well, what do you think of these AI art generators? Are we really replacing creative artists and people working on it? Let us know in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, I'm sure you're going to love to watch our video about the top 10 future technology about to change our world on our channel. Make sure to click the subscribe button for the future notifications and never miss our videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.